Okay, today I'm gonna try a new topic, introduction to functions, blah blah blah. So let's go.
Welcome to Introduction to Functions. Let's start by figuring out some rules. Which rule could produce these outputs from these inputs?
Well, add to no double. Yeah.
Nailed it. Okay, how about this set of inputs and outputs?
Which rule could produce these outputs? True and false. What do you mean by that?
Correct. Now try another one. Perfect. Here's what's happening. A function is a rule that maps each input to a single output. Does that make sense? Now that we have the word for it, which function could produce these outputs from these inputs? Right. All right, how about this one? Well done. Okay. Final problem. You got every single one. Nice. So, here's what you were doing. Functions are rules that take an input and specify a corresponding output. Any last questions? Let's finish with a quick skill check.
With Premium, you can jump ahead in any course, anytime.
Okay, but I actually really like Brilliant, because like genuinely, like, mate, if I had Premium, like I would probably do it for like 3, maybe, like literally till I finish, like, I don't know, 6 or 7 courses. But like I actually really like it, like genuinely. Okay. I don't really think I should time function repeat. Okay, I don't think I need this. I think let's start with this. Because, yeah. Okay.
Welcome to Linear Systems. You'll explore grocery receipts and figure out what's behind the totals. Complete the receipt totals.
A total of 2. The total cost is 7.
Yep, exactly. Now the receipt has more items.
9. Okay, so 6 times 5 is 30, and then 30, yeah.
Night. This time, you can see exactly how many of each item was purchased. Complete the calculations. Nailed it. Alright, now the quantities are unknown. Write equations for y pineapples and x mangoes.
So,
Give it another shot. Let's take a look together. What does the items equation count? And do prices matter when you just want the total number of items? And there it is. You got it right. Here's why each equation works. The first equation just counts items. Y pineapples plus X mangoes equals 13 total. No prices needed, you're simply adding the quantities. The second equation calculates total cost. 5y, pineapples at 5 each, plus 2x, mangoes at 2 each, equals 35. Does that make sense? Nice work. You now have... Here's the key idea. A constraint describes the values that variables can take. If we know we purchased 13 items and it cost $35, we can write two constraints. Does that... Now let's try a different receipt with mangoes and lemons. Correct. Okay, same idea. Write constraints using variables this time. Yep, that's it. Here's another receipt. The items are different this time. Not quite, but don't give up on it. The items equation is perfect. For the cost equation, look at the pineapple row on the invoice. Which variable represents the number of pineapples? You got it. All right, last one. This time, the item's constraint is already written for you. Complete the cost constraint. Yep, night. Here's the takeaway. Let's check that everything clicked.
Go on.
Premium gives you infinite keys for infinite art.
So basically, yeah, like genuinely, I enjoy it so much. And I'm pretty sure this is my last lesson, but for today, but I'm not sure, so we're just gonna wait together. Yeah, whoever created Brilliant is genuinely like the most like I would literally I can't, oh yeah. Sadly, that is it. Goodbye.